888 Monica. So that's the airport right over there. Okay.
I like the tall doors.
Yeah.
It's got that going for it.
Ooh. This is fun. Hi. The windows look nice. Hi.
Got some textured walls. That was the thing back in the day.
It's a thing now too. It's back.
Is it?
Yeah. It's just harder to do like patchwork on it.
Garage. Interesting. That's new. Ow, sorry. And apparently you can peep into this room from the garage. That's creepy.
That is very bizarre.
That's a weird room.
Oh.
And this is the man door to the side of the house.
It's a lot of doors to rekey. I mean, obviously, you can do it. It's just, there's a lot.
Okay. Yep. And then might be a button, I think.
Thanks.
That. Oh yeah. Medium tower. Ooh. Yeah, no shit. It's missing some grout. Closet under the stairs. Let's go.
Okay. I feel like these windows look new. Or, at least.
Yeah, I'd say they're newer. I like they got cannon lights. This interesting detail. Transition. Which is nice. You can see how big the counter is with him standing there.
Sorry.
You're on.
I love these lights. They remind me of the Haunted Mansion.
They match the backsplash.
Oh, fun.
Oh, and you got gas. You wanted a gas stove. Yeah. So you know to cook with gas. And I like the window at the sink.
Yeah.
This is nice. And there's your backyard.
Yep, it's been redone on the inside. The outside is kind of left up to.
Whoever.
That's why it's so under market.
Okay.
I'm going to be curious about this room that's down here.
Yeah, right.
What is this?
Someone's special bedroom bathroom.
It's weird. And it's where the washer dryer goes as well.
So interesting.
Right? And then you got your washer dryer hookups. So you can take your clothes off the plane, take a shit, and clean clothes when you get out, and enjoy a nice fireplace at the same time.
It's amazing.
But it's not a deal breaker. I mean, you just, if this isn't your thing, you just pull all this shit out, right? And put the wall back up. And then you could have a bathroom / laundry. I mean, there's ways around this. But I mean, or you could crash pad this thing.
Yeah.
Put a couple bunk beds in there for your flight attendant peeps. And since you can make this into a door, because he's got cats. And a lot of flight attendants don't want to deal with cats. So you can give them an entrance to that, and an entrance to this, and then they can have a couple beds, except for, I don't think flight attendants want to shit and shower in front of each other.
Yeah. That washer being in here is really what messes it
Well,
up.
then they can do their laundry.
Yeah.
And they got them in their closet. This is weird. Yeah, but it's not a deal breaker. It's just odd. Right? Because you could make this into a room again somehow. Maybe just rip all that shit out. And they went to the painstaking.
No, you're right. Yeah. Okay. So if there's a wall right here, then it just happens to be a bathroom with a washer or dryer. Okay. Okay.
And then you can make this a storage area, or I don't know. This is weird. And why they put the fireplace in there? It's an odd thing.
Yeah.
It's cool. I like them. Like you said.
I like them.
I like the crystals. It's cool. Okay, so now we're back to the front door. So that's downstairs. I mean, you can totally ignore that room.
Yeah.
Are they counting that as a bedroom?
They can't if there's no closet.
There is.
Oh my gosh, there is.
Yeah. Oh. Guess I'll have to be right down. This is Not good craftsmanship. Yeah. This will have to be, yeah, totally redone. I mean, we could get just luxury vinyl planking, or just change the bowl nose on that.
Yeah. Because this looks good.
Yeah. So this is the first bathroom. This is the hallway bathroom. Oh, this is cool. Shit. Wow. This is what I want to do in my house, because my house looks more cabiny.
That's awesome.
Right? This is cool with the pebble work. Oh, I like it. And then, see, no shower doors. He doesn't like shower doors. He likes that curtain where you can put the one glass.
Yeah.
Right? This is cool. Alright? Okay. So, here's the hallway. Oh, good. They're not counting that as a bedroom.
Okay.
Nice. So, here's the bedroom in front of the house. It's small. Could be an office. I don't think Clayton would like this room, but it's bright. And then this could be Clayton's room. It's a little bit bigger. Not much closet space, but it's nice. Yeah. It's over the garage. At some point I would get new flooring up here, but you know, right now it's not a deal breaker. Then this is the master room. Okay, this is kind of cool. It's light enough. It's north, so this room won't get hot. Hopefully it won't get super hot. Because he's south, and this is your walk-in closet. It's not bad. And then your master bathroom. Oh, go Raiders. This is nice. Yeah.
Okay, it's a sticker. Etch it in.
And this is cool. There's no light in here, but it's alright, you don't need one. I like it. I noticed how they got it pointed away from the door. They should have just put it like over here rather than there. Interesting. Yeah. The only tub in this house, because he said he does like the tub, is the one downstairs.
The community tub.
Yeah. What do you think?
I'd have to think about it more.
But you know what? The houses we've been looking at, it's tough.
Yeah.
I mean, you're getting this kind of quality in these zip codes. So
Yeah.
it's yeah.
Cut?
Yeah.